Welcome back, unicorns, to another video. In today's video is day 8 of 31 days of Halloween. So if you want to see what I do today, hear all the information, stay tuned. So I'm so excited about this package. This is a PR package I got gifted from the Cat Lady box. And this is the Black Cat box, which is a popular box that comes out every October, and I'm so excited because I love this theme so much. I have a black cat. His name is Binks. He's a perfect Halloween cat, and I'm so excited that I got the opportunity to get this. I want to thank the brand so much for sending me this PR package to show on my channel. I love showing it each month, and y'all seem to really enjoy it and love seeing my cats. So this one is going to be another one. So if you don't know, I get the Crazy Cat Lady box, which comes with 2 cat toys, as well as the other products are mine. I think it's 3 or 4. But you can get the Cat Lady box, which is the traditional one, if your cat doesn't really play with toys, but you love cats. I recommend that one. And this is such a good box. It's a good gift for that cat lover in your life. I really recommend it. And I will link the playlist for Cat Lady box just in case you want to watch past unboxings I have done on my channel. Now let's see what come in today's October box. So let's see. Oh my god, this looks so cool. This is a sneak peek. That's a sneak peek. But look at this card. Everything is spooky vibes. So look at the card. It has like it's like a little desk area with a shelf, and there's a black cat right here. I love it. And on the back, it's all black, and the theme is Black Cat's box, and everything in here is black cat related, which I'm so excited about. I cannot wait. And another good thing about this box, they do donate to rescues, and then last month they donated to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 20 more, and that's amazing. I really love that this brand does that. They also, every month, the postcard that you can keep was made by an artist, which is very nice that they let artists create the card. And I love keeping these. Usually I use them in my journal, or if I give some to my mom, she usually puts them in a frame or something. This is so cool looking. I really love it. And I love the black cat. So let's get on with the unboxing. And another thing that comes in each month is a shirt, and I really love it. So we got 3 items for us and then 2 items for the cat. So let's get on with the unboxing. So the first item I'm going to talk about is the cat toy. For some reason, it wasn't filming. I thought I clicked it. So it's the cat toy. It's the Magical Butterfly Kitty. It looks like this. And on the back, it has butterfly wings, which is so cute. And it has crinkled on the wings, and there is catnip in it. So on the card it says, "This meow Halloween, our kitty's ready to flutter in the cutest costume. This was $5.99. And this is super cute. My cat Meek's gonna go crazy for this. He loves anything that crinkles like this. I can't wait to show him it. Sorry, he's playing with the bird. I did not give him the toy, so he kind of got upset. But I had to take tags off. Another thing what's cool about these, sometimes they give the sticker of the Cat Lady box if they don't pack it and to close it. So you get a free sticker, which is very nice. So now let's get on with the second toy. So the next toy is the perfect Paw catnip wand. He loves the wand. I always play with him at nighttime just to get his energy out and to help me get him into the room that I want him to be in. But look at this, it's so cute, and there is a feather on it, but it's a black paw print. And on the card it says, "Give your cat the high paw and watch them go bonkers with this cat nippy wand." This is valued at $6.09. So he's going to love this. I can't wait to show y'all him playing with it. He loves a cat wand. That's one of his favorite toys. Sorry, I was trying to get him distracted away from the bird, so you don't hear that. You might hear it a little bit. But I can't wait to play with them. And I think this has catnip in it, and this one's way stronger. So I'm going to quickly go over the other toys before my cat goes crazy for the toys because he can smell them. So we got the last 3 items are mine. So let's talk about those next. So the next item we got is the Black Cat Posh Pouch. Look at this. It's a little makeup bag. I love when makeup bags come in these. And it's a black cat and it says lip balms, lotions, and potions. Stay rurally organized with this posh pouch in your purse. This one's valued at $14.99. And I can't wait to use this with my makeup or anything like that. But there is a little cat lady tag on it. And I love little soft velvet filling. It's very nice. And that's so cute. That's the next item in my box. And I don't know if you can get these individually or not. I know you can bypass boxes, so if you haven't got this box, I really recommend you to sign up for it. I really love this box. So now we have 2 more items. We have one item that's decor, and the other item is a t-shirt, and I can't wait to show you the t-shirt. So let's talk about those items first. So we got the Velvet Noir Black Cat. Noir, I don't know how to say that right. I think this might be a statue. I don't know, but this says, with this velvety soft midnight mystical, our luxury black cat will perfectly enhance any space. This is $19.99. It's in bubble. Oh my god, this looks so cool. It's like a soft, furry feeling. Oh my god. Hopefully my cats don't think this is a real cat sitting on a shelf. But you could also, if you decorate for this hat for Halloween, you could put like a little hat on it. Or put something around it that's Halloween related, or just keep it by itself. That's so cool looking. I really love the soft feeling of it. It makes it feel like real fur. I know some people don't like the velvet feeling, so if you don't like that feeling, you might not like this, but I can't wait to set it up on something to display it. And again, you could also decorate it more. Like I know they have like little hats that you can get, like if you can stick it on there. So the last item in the box is a t-shirt. So let's go over that. Did I say the price of this? I think I did, yeah. I said all the information. So now let's talk about the t-shirt. So the last item I got is the, oh, I love this t-shirt. The t-shirts are always good. The design's amazing. I love the quality of the t-shirts. They're very soft and I really love them. Here's the shirt. It is so cool. It says Black Cats Rule. A black cat crossing your path signifies that the animal is going somewhere. So you know that saying where if a black cat crosses your path, that's bad luck? I don't think it's bad luck. Some people say that. I love black cats. They are so cute and I love them. And they're perfect for Halloween if you love Halloween. So those are all the items I got this month. Let me know if you did enjoy it. And hopefully y'all enjoy seeing the cats play and stuff. That'll be at the end of the video if you want to see them. I really recommend you to watch to the end. So that's all the goodies I got. I will link all the information for catladybox down below if you want to get it for yourself. And I will, if I find a link, if I find a code, I'll link it down below as well for y'all. So y'all know there is usually a code on the website that saves you like percentage off your first box or just for the October box or whatever. So I'll link it down below for y'all. So I think that is it. If you got this far in the video and you are enjoying it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below a black cat emoji if you want to be shouted out in the next video uploaded on my channel. I really do appreciate it. And I've been starting doing this this thing on my channel, and I shout people out because I love shouting you out. If you want to see what shout out in the previous video uploaded on my channel, check out the channels to check out. There will also be subscribers as well as YouTubers. If they're a subscriber, find their comment in this comment section of this video and tell them that you're thankful for the unicorn family. If they're a YouTuber, go check out their channel and tell them I sent you. They really appreciate it and show them some love. so you know that you'll love their channel. But make sure if you are new to them that you make sure to watch like a couple videos before you subscribe, so they know that you're a real subscriber, because they will knock you off if you just subscribe and leave. So please just watch a couple of their videos, like, comment, and all that stuff, so they know that you're a part of their subscribers and stuff like that, and then subscribe to them. So I think that is it for today. So that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what you thought of today's video. Let me know if you enjoyed seeing what I got in my cat lady box for the October. I really love this box so much, and I love getting it each month and seeing the different things. I hope y'all do as well. And I want to thank the brand so much for giving me opportunity to get on your PR list. I really am thankful, and hopefully they do enjoy my videos and y'all enjoy as well. And lastly, don't forget to subscribe to our unicorn family. Hit the bell icon to be notified when I upload. And unicorns, always be yourself. Bye.